Hello everyone, today I will be presenting on forensic entomology, an important field that uses insect evidence to assist in criminal investigations. This area of science helps uncover hidden clues at crime scenes, especially regarding time and circumstances of death. Forensic entomology is the study of insects, mainly flies, beetles, and other arthropods, in a legal setting. It is most often used to estimate the post-mortem interval or PMI, which is the amount of time that has passed since a person has died. When a body is exposed to the environment, insects arrive in a predictable order. By studying the types of insects present and their life stages, forensic scientists can estimate how long a person has been deceased. This information can be critical in criminal cases to confirm or dispute alibis and to help reconstruct timelines. Forensic entomology is not only about estimating time of death. It can also reveal if a body was moved after death based on the types of insects found at the scene compared to those typical of another location. In cases of neglect, especially with children or elderly individuals, infestations of insects like maggots can point to a lack of proper care. Additionally, entomology can help identify wounds and trauma that occurred before or after death. Talk about history of forensic entomology. First recorded case in China 13th century, wash away of wrongs, gained scientific transaction in 19th and 20th centuries. Modern techniques involve DNA and chemical analysis to help the importance of forensic entomology. Certain insects are especially important in forensic investigations. Blowflies from the family Calliforniae are usually the first to colonize a body, often within minutes after death. Their larvae or maggots are studied to determine development stages. Flesh flies from the family Sarcophagia also arrive early and can offer additional evidence. Beetles, especially those from the Calopotra order, appear later in the decomposition process and help break down dried remains. Understanding the habits and life cycles of these insects is essential for accurate PMA estimates. The process of decomposition occurs in several stages. First stage, immediately after death, when the body shows little visible change. Bloat stage, gases produced by bacterial activity causes the body to inflate. Blowflies are especially active during this time. Active decay, the body starts to collapse and fluid leak, attracting different insect species. Advanced decay, most soft tissues are gone and beetles dominate the scene. Dried remains, only bones, hair and dried tissue remain with few insects present. When talk about life cycle of blowflies, blowflies can be egg, larva, pups, adult. These four stages goes under temperature and depends upon the development. Useful for estimating PMI based on development stage. At crime scenes, careful insect collection is vital. Investigators collect larvae, pupae, and adult insects from the body and surrounding area. They also take soil samples and note temperature, humidity, and other environmental data. Since these factors can dramatically affect insect development, collected insects are preserved and some are allowed to continue growing under controlled conditions to compare their development rates with known timelines. All of this helps build a detailed and scientifically valid estimate of the postmortem interval. Although forensic entomology is powerful, it has challenges. Environmental factors such as temperature fluctuations, rainfall, or the body being wrapped or buried can delay or speed up insect activity. Drug use by the deceased can also alter insect growth rates. Additionally, it requires highly trained specialists to correctly identify insect species and interpret the data. A mistake could lead to incorrect conclusions about the time of death. Advances in forensic entomology. DNA barcoding for species identification, use of chemical profiles that is include cuticular hydrocarbons, geographic profiling of insects. Forensic entomology combines biology, ecology, and legal science to help solve crimes. It provides crucial information about time since death, body movement, and possible abuse or neglect. Thanks to the predictable behavior of insects, even cases with minimal physical evidence can be investigated more effectively. Forensic entomology continues to evolve and remains an important tool in modern criminal investigations. The reference part lists all the scientific sources used in the forensic entomology report or study. Books on forensic entomology and insect biology. It includes peer-reviewed journal articles on insect life cycles or case studies, taxonomic keys for insect identification. Official foreign science guidelines are for the reference for forensic entomology. Thank you everyone.